NASA is making the measurements that can be used to determine the acoustic impact of these vehicles on the environment and the communities that they operate in, and that's very important for the people in those environments.